And I just want to say thank you to my sis for slaying me today. Makeup by Vanessa. Check out cute. You know. Hey, it's the Muddies. Welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications to be notified every time I post a video. Also, please do not forget to comment, like, and share this video. I'm here with my sister, Danessa.
Hey.
Hi, everyone. And we just wanted to do a review on some things that, well, actually a goodie that we found at DD's Discount. So I always tell my sister that we always have to have like a repair kit, a little something in our purse just in case, you know, something goes wrong, wardrobe malfunction, you know. So I picked these up at DD's Discount. And usually if you go to like a store like Claire's or in the mall, these can run you up anywhere from like, I don't know, $10, $15. And we scored them for $2.99 each. So how cool is that? And it comes with a lot of things. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And what I think about this little pouch already is that it is super, super cute. Because I'm matching. I love anything leopard print. So cute. So girly. And this one has a tad bit of pink on it. So I definitely like that. What about you? Is this like your style?
Yeah, it's pretty cute. I like the pink. It reminds me of like little Y2K if it was a bag.
Okay. So Y2K in a bag. Okay, we brought it back. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And the first thing that I noticed is it's so cute and little, but it holds so many things inside. And I'm going to go ahead and let Vanessa take the things out of it because we have the same things in the bag. We're just going to go ahead and do that real quick. So the first thing that we have is
some bobby pins.
Some bobby pins. And you guys know, us girls, we need our bobby pins. Sometimes our hair is just not the business. Like right now, this little strand right here. Like I could just put it down here and pin it down. Or you know, you could have somebody else's back, right? Hey girl, do you have a bobby pin? Yes, I do. Let me unzip my little cute baggie and hook you up.
We got like thread and what is the safety pins?
Right, so the next thing is a sew kit. It's a sew kit. Oh, okay, cool. So it comes with the little thread. Hold on, let me see. So it comes with these different color threads as well as some safety pins and some buttons. You know, anything could happen with your wardrobe. Oh, and it also comes with a needle. Pretty cool. Oh, would you use this? Somebody needs to have their little, yeah, whatever. We won't use that.
A piercing on the go.
A piercing on the go. Hey.
They were getting impulsive.
Quick story time. Quick story time. Shout out to my cousin Sareth. If you're watching this, I love you. Remember when I pierced your belly button with some cologne to disinfect it, or was it perfume? To disinfect your belly button and earring. So that's what it reminded me of. Piercing on the go. I don't think
cologne.
she knew.
Cologne?
I think it was perfume. But yes, we did. Shout out to Sareth.
You know, just ever in the car and you need a lip piercing, belly button piercing, tongue piercing, hit her up. She'll use cologne to disinfect your piercing.
Yeah. All right. So the next thing.
It's a nail file.
Okay, so this is definitely a must for all of us girls. You gotta have your nails on candy, I should say. Candy. Oh, and this is so cute. Vanessa has little glitter. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. I am in love with this pink little file. Why do I like glittery things? Just like my soul. Sparkly. Super cute. All right.
And we got elastic bands.
All
For
right.
your hair. Clear ones.
And that is so cool. You know you always need to put up your chongo sometimes on the go. So.
Bro, what is this? What is this?
And we have...
White paper. No, actually, what is it? This is...
Can anybody tell me what that is?
I don't know what it is.
It's either a deodorant wipe.
Huh? What? What is this?
I'm
What
so
is
confused,
this?
guys.
A chicken hand?
If anyone... If anyone has one of these, can you guys please let us know in the comments below what the hell that is?
It's not food.
Alright, so I'm really trying to figure out what this
It
is.
doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell like anything.
What is this?
It doesn't
We
taste.
got some little paper. You know what this reminds me of? The little perfume testers. Back to the perfume.
It probably is too.
I don't know, you guys.
But it's so like blandito, huh?
Yeah, you see.
I mean, it's like soft.
Alright, okay, maybe this is like tape. Like I said, the wardrobe malfunctions. A little tape goes a long way. We're trying to read the back.
It's a deodorant wipe.
I don't know how this.
And I ate it. And I ate it.
I don't know how this is a deodorant wipe, guys. Okay. You know what? Let's get to the next item in this little pouch.
Some floss.
You know, you gotta use the floss daily, guys. Gotta use the floss daily, guys. Floss your teeth. Emergency on the go floss. You might be having dinner and you get a little piece of seaweed stuck between your teeth. You're good to go with the little floss in your.
You know when you're
handy-dandy
eating
pouch.
at the ocean, and you get some seaweed in your mouth.
Happens all the time since I'm a mermaid.
It happens. When I come home, I always have a piece of seaweed sticking out my mouth.
All the time. What can I say?
What is this? Next we have this. I have no idea what it is. It's like little beads. I've seen them before, but what is
Those
it?
are.
What is it?
Those are.
What is it?
Those are earring backs.
Oh.
I've seen them before. Okay.
Oh my god.
You guys know you might run into somebody that needs those.
Yeah.
Remember high school? Remember back in the high school days? Yeah. Definitely need some earring backs.
And we have some nail polish, some clear nail polish. This I'm
Okay.
actually gonna use right now.
Okay.
Not right now, but like.
I see it. I see I need one of those little bobby pins right now.
Ooh, and it smells. Ooh, like clear nail polish.
Oh, and it smells like clear nail polish. And when I say that,
But
I mean
like
it like
clean.
real potent,
Pure, yeah.
pure clear nail polish.
Okay, we got deodorant wipes.
So
But
apparently,
clear for us to read. Just so.
just in case.
Oh,
You haven't
stain
even-
remover and nail polish remover.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
a stain
So
remover.
you came out with all three. Okay.
Nice.
So this is what we have.
And then that's it.
That's it. So you guys, I really want to know what these are.
Yeah.
Can you please tell me what this is, guys? Please. All right.
And is it bad if I put it in my mouth?
Yeah, because she tried to eat it. I think she did eat it,
Alright.
actually. Did it taste good?
No, it tastes like nothing. I like it though. It all fits.
I honestly think it's tape. Like,
Oh, the needle's so small.
yeah. And this is what it looks like when you get it. And all of these things fit inside. So here you
For
see
$3,
it.
that's not bad.
At all. And like I said, if you do go to Claire's or order this online, it does range anywhere from like $10 to $13. I'm just gonna go ahead and look it up on my handy dandy phone. What is it called? On the go. Oh no, on the go. I feel like some come with like mints and stuff.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't come up anywhere.
Yeah.
38-piece emergencies.
Ha!
Emergency. 38-piece.
What?
38-piece. Emergency kit. No? Okay, here we go. So I found one on eBay.
$9.
So see, 10, and it's $9 plus $5 shipping. So
That's
definitely around that price range.
$15.
And yeah, and this one actually has the little strips as well. Little strips.
Yeah, what is that?
I think I'm telling you. I think they're taped like wardrobe. There you go, guys. This is our little baggie. So cute, so pink, really girly, and you know we just love. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share.
Bye.
Bye.